morning everybody, welcome back to Power Distribution channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about air break switch disconnector, which basically a switch that uses air as the dielectric medium. ABS are widely installed on overhead distribution network for both as an insulation or visual indication and manual switching devices. The crew install the groundings after the line has been de-energized. Now the construction is being modified into a double dead end suspension to accommodate the air brake switch. This is the ABS that will be installed on the pole and will be mechanically operated from the ground level. This is the copper plated contact arm or switching blades, complete with the arching horns. The contact point with spring-loaded opening adjuster. Seen from above, the movable contact point, the arching horns to extinguish the spark, and the circuit interrupter. The hinge mechanism complete with the tension spring. Mounting pin post type insulator to keep the whole assembly in place. This insulator can withstand up to 125 kV of surge voltage. The operating lever, which will be connected together through a rocker arm. A stopper to prevent the switch from overturn. A spring mechanism to prevent the switch from half open or half closed, which is very dangerous for the operator and the equipment itself. The nameplate of the switch, as you can see here, 24 kV of operating voltage, up to 630 max rated current, and up to 150 kV of basic insulation level. This is the stationary interrupter modules. The interrupter module in more detail. Ventilation hole, which helps dump the spark or fire. Stationary male contact points, nickel plated, and the stationary arching horns. As you can see here, it's lubricated, and then the contact point for the cable shoe. The control rod, which will be connected via links. The links, the race, and the handlebars, complete with the pole band, which will be mounted on the pole. The other linkage or yokes, and all the necessary pole band to mount the control rod on the pole. And now you see the switch in action as the moving contact point and the arching horns are touching the interrupter module. The interrupter module will quench and dump the spark. And now the switch is firmly connected together. Air brake switch is still widely and exclusively installed on overhead distribution line, although it possesses some significant limiting drawbacks. For example, it has very limited operating current and sometimes it's mechanically troublesome. That's you have it guys, a brief tour around air brake switch. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our distribution channel. Thank you.